Computational analysis of heat transfer enhancement in a circular tubed heat exchanger using Al2O3 nanofluids. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Various heat enhancement techniques are available to find the performance of industrial and practical appliances for a more efficient heat transfer rate. One such method is the use of nanofluids, which has emerged as a passive heat transfer technique in numerous applications. Nanofluids are recognized for their significant potential to enhance heat transfer and are particularly well suited for use in heat transfer processes. In recent years, extensive research has been conducted to better understand the mechanisms behind heat transfer enhancement and control when utilizing nanofluids. The objective of this work is to study the effect of transfer rate in an annular pipe for water and aluminum oxide nanofluid with 0.25% and 0.5% by volume for Reynolds numbers 2000 and 3000. A numerical method finite volume was used to observe velocity and temperature. Heat transfer coefficient, Nusselt number and overall heat transfer have been calculated from simulation. The design of the annular tube was done in ANSY's workbench, in which the inner tube was assigned with aluminium and outer tube with copper. It is observed that there is an increased rate of heat transfer when nanofluid of Al2O3 with 0.25% compared to 0.5%. Introduction. A heat exchanger is a device designed to transfer energy from a hot fluid to a cold fluid, aiming to achieve the highest heat transfer rate while minimizing investment and operating costs. As the fluids flow through the heat exchanger, their temperatures change, causing the temperature of the dividing wall between the fluids to vary along the length of the exchanger. Patel et al., 2019. Conclusion. The following conclusions have been made from the numerical study. Reynolds numbers of 2000, 3000, for convective heat transfer coefficient, the rate of heat flow at different nanofluids changes with different velocities, thereby increasing in Nusselt numbers for nanofluids. Heat transfer coefficient is found to be enhanced with increasing the nanoparticle concentration by having 0.25% and 0.5% volume fraction with Reynolds numbers given. Aluminum oxide with 0.25 volume fraction showed a percentage error of 1.40%, 0.56% for 2000, 3000 Re. Number. Aluminium oxide with 0.5 volume fraction showed a percentage error of 0.36%, 0.34% for 2000, 3000 Re. Number. Overall, aluminium oxide with a 0.25% volume fraction showed better results compared to water and copper oxide. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.